The National Weather Service in League City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Willowbrook, or near Jersey Village, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Jersey Village, Spring Branch North, Spring Branch West, Addicks Park 10, Spring Valley, Greater Greenspoint, Northwestern Greater Heights, Northern Eldridge, or West Oaks, Northwestern Northside, or Northline, Hillshire Village, Spring Branch East, Spring Branch Central, Central Northwest, Willowbrook, Langwood, Fairbanks, or Northwest Crossing, Hidden Valley, Acres Home, West Branch, and Cypress. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.